Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix NordVPN not connecting on PC. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is working. Open a browser and try visiting any website. If the internet is not working, NordVPN will not connect. Next, restart NordVPN, close the app completely, then open it again and try connecting. If that does not work, restart your PC. This can fix many small connection problems. Now open NordVPN again and try connecting to a different server. Instead of quick connect, choose another country or server manually. If NordVPN still does not connect, change the VPN protocol. Open the settings at the bottom, then tap on connection and security. Change the protocol to NordLYNX or UDP and then try again. Next, check your firewall or antivirus. Sometimes they block VPN connections. Temporarily disable them and test NordVPN. If it works, add NordVPN as an allowed app. Also, make sure your NordVPN app is updated and old versions may not work properly. Update the app and try again. And that's it. That's how you fix NordVPN not connecting on a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.